In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use OneNote inside Microsoft Teams in the simplest and most practical way. Whether you're part of a work group trying to stay organized, a student collaborating on class projects, or you simply want a clean and easy place to store notes that everyone can access, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. And don't worry, even if you've never used OneNote before, you'll pick it up super quickly. First, open your Microsoft Teams app and head into the team where you want to use OneNote. Once you're there, go to any channel and click on the Files tab. Inside this section, look for the new drop-down menu. This is where you'll find the option labeled OneNote Notebook. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on OneNote Notebook, give your notebook a name, and Teams will instantly create it for you. After a moment, the notebook will open right inside Teams using the web version of OneNote. From here, you can start typing your notes, adding pages, creating sections, and organizing your information however you like. And if you want the full OneNote experience, just click Open in Browser and choose Open in Desktop app. This downloads the notebook to your device so you can even work offline and everything stays synced automatically. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're connected to the internet the first time you open the notebook. Check that you have the OneNote desktop app installed if you plan to use it, and give your notebook clear section names. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've created your notebook, your next step is to make it easily accessible to everyone. Since OneNote notebooks aren't shared as regular files, the best way to highlight them is by adding them as a tab at the top of your channel. Just click the plus icon, select OneNote, and choose the notebook you just created. You can even link directly to a specific section or page so your team lands exactly where they need to be. After that small setup, everyone on your team will be able to open the notebook instantly without searching for it. It's also a good idea to send a quick message in the channel letting your teammates know the notebook is ready. Sharing a reminder like, "Hey team, our shared OneNote is now added as a tab," keeps everyone on the same page and saves confusion later on. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to use OneNote inside Microsoft Teams easily and efficiently, whether it's for meeting notes, project ideas, planning, or just keeping track of everyday information. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?